Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on operations management. This is part third. Now come to the questions. Question number one, dash, is the configuration of departments, work centers and equipment in the conversion process. Options are A. Plant layout, B. Plant locations, C. A and B, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. Plant layout. 2. Which of the following affect the choice of plant location decision? A. Proximity to markets. B. Supply of materials. C. A and B. D. None of these. Here correct option is C. A and B. 3. The founder of the scientific management movement was A. Frank Gilbert. B. Walter Seward. C. Frederick W. Taylor. D. Ford Harris. Correct option is C. Frederick W. Taylor. 4. The Hawthorne studies stimulated the development of A. The scientific management movement, B. The human relations movement, C. The socio-technical movement, D. The lean production movement. Correct option is here B. The human relations movement. 5. Walter Schwartz developed A. The economic order quantity model, B. The human factors engineering field, C. Linear programming models, D. Statistical quality control techniques. Here correct option is D. Statistical quality control techniques. 6. Dash is used to monitor characteristics that can be measured and have a continuum of values such as height, weight, volume, etc. Options are A. Control chart of attributes, B. Control chart for variables, C. A and B, D. None of these. Here correct option is B. Control chart for variables. 7. The moving assembly line was developed by A. Elton Mayo, B. Frederick W. Taylor, C. Clark Gable, D. Henry Ford. Here correct option is D. Henry Ford. 8. Dash is used to monitor characteristics that have discrete values and can be counted. Options are A. Control chart for variables, B. Control chart for attributes, C. A and B, D. None of these. So it is B. Control chart for attributes is used to monitor characteristics that have discrete values and can be counted. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a control chart for variables? A. X chart, B. R chart, C. P chart, D. None of these. A correct option is C. P chart. 10. Which of the following is not a control chart for attributes? A. P chart, B. C chart, C. X chart, D. None of these. Here correct option is C. X chart. 11. ISO 9000 is a dash A. International standard, B. National standard, C. Local standard, D. None of these. Correct option is A. International standard. 12. In management literature, TQM stands for A. Total quality management, B. Total quality management, yes, option here is remaining the same. Now C. Total quantity, in fact, maintenance, or D. None of these. B is total quantity management, not quality. So all four options are here. Correct option is A. Total quality management. 13. Dash is a group of workers from the same area who usually meet to discuss their problems, investigate, recommend solutions, and to corrective actions. A. Quality problems. B. Quality circle. C. Quantify value. D. None of these. Here correct option is B. Quality circle. 14. Which of the following is not an objective of quality circle? A. To improve quality. B. To improve productivity. C. Trading on equity. D. None of these. Here correct option is C. Trading on equity. 15. Which of the following is not a principle of TQM? A. Customer focus. B. Continuous improvement. C. Team approach. D. Black marketing. Here correct option is D. Black marketing. 16. Dash is the systematic recording and critical examination of existing and the proposed way of doing work as a means of developing effective methods. A. Method study. B. Time study. C. Time booking. D. None of these. Your correct option is A. Method study. 17. The costs of all activities incurred to prevent poor quality in products and services. Here options are A. Prevention cost. B. Appraisal cost. C. Failure cost. D. None of these. Here correct option is A. Prevention cost. 18. This cost is the cost associated with measuring, evaluating, or auditing products or services to assure conformance to quality standards and performance requirements. Options are A. Prevention cost, B. Appraisal cost, C. Failure cost, D. None of the above. Here correct option is B. Appraisal cost. 19. This cost is the cost resulting from products or services not conforming to requirements or user needs. A. Prevention cost, B. Appraisal cost, C. Failure cost, D. None of the above. Here correct option is C. Failure cost. 20. Dash is a graphical tool to analyze and time the small physical actions of workers and machine in performing a routine, repetitive worker-machine task so that idle time can be identified. Options are here A. Activity chart, B. Matrix, C. A and B, D none of these. Here correct option is A. Activity chart. 21. Dash is the level of output volume for which total cost equals total revenues. A. Profit, B. Break-even point, C. Sales, D. All of these. Correct option is B. Break-even point. 22. Dash is a process of representing each item by a number, the digit of which indicates the group, the subgroup, the type and the dimension of the item. Options are A. Codification, B. Classification, C. Duplication, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. Codification. 23. Dash is a manufacturing system utilizing computer software programs that control the actual machine on the shop floor. A. Complex manufacturing, B. Computer aided manufacturing, C. A and B, D none of these. Here correct option is B. Computer aided manufacturing. 24 dash is the Japanese concept of continuous improvement in all things. A. Kaizen, B. Marketing myopia, C. A and B, D none of these. The correct option is A. Kaizen. 25 dash is the process of creating and using mathematical representations of management problems and organizations to predict outcomes of proposed courses of action. A. Mathematical modeling, B. Physical modeling, C. Service queries, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. Mathematical modeling. 26 dash is the degree to which the design specifications for a product or service are appropriate to its function and use, and the degree to which a product or service conforms to its design specifications. Options are A. Quantity, B. Quality, C. Price, D. Cost. Here correct option is B. Quality. 27 dash is a process used to determine the maintenance requirements of any physical asset in its operating context. Options are A. Reliability centered maintenance, B. Preventive cost, C. Unavoidable cost, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. Reliability centered maintenance. 28 dash is the application or techniques designed to establish the time for a qualified worker to carry out a specified job at a defined level or performance. Here options are A. Work measurement, B. Work delay, C. Work atmosphere, D. None of these. Here correct option is A. Work measurement. 29 dash deals with decision making related to production processes so that the resulting goods or services are produced according to specifications and the amount and by the schedule demanded and out of minimum cost. A. Production management, B. Marketing management, C. Finance management, D. Capital structure. Here correct option is A. Production management. 30 dash is the part of an organization that produces the organization's physical goods and services. A. Operating system, B. Marketing system, C. Financial system, D. All of these. Here correct option is A. Operating system. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.